Well, here I am with the second in my shorts challenge. It's on the same day as the first because I couldn't do this yesterday. So the prompt today was to tell you about somebody whose life I transformed via what I do. So I teach Microsoft Office applications, in case you didn't know, and I was working with a lady in a firm of accountants. And I taught her about, this was a long time ago, but I taught her about sorting, filtering and subtotals. Now you do it in a table, but that's what we did then. And she was gobsmacked, to use a term. She found it so useful. At the end of the session, I asked her how much time she was going to save, because that's my thing, time. And she said, oh, I think it's going to save me about half an hour. I said, that's great. Half an hour a day, half an hour a week. She said, oh no, half an hour every time I do that job. At the moment, it takes me about an hour to do this. What you've shown me is going to cut that in half, and I do it for 5 people. So potentially she was saving 2.5 hours a day, the knock-on effect of all that time saving. So I'm going to leave you with that for today's short tip. It's now just over a minute, almost a minute and a half. And I'll see you for another shorts tip when I get the next prompt sometime soon.